How do cavities develop? Well, our teeth, when they first come in, when we're kids, they start coming in at the age of 5, maybe 6. They have deep fissures, and these fissures are very hard to keep clean. So if you don't clean them well, the food stays in them, and that's how a cavity usually starts. The food acts as an acid on your tooth, makes the tooth structure soft. There you go, there's a cavity. So with kids, what we do here, we place sealant. Sealant is a protective coating that goes on your tooth to cover those fissures. So this way, when you're eating, nothing gets stuck in those fissures. So therefore, when you're brushing, yes, you still have to brush really good, but you don't have to be crazy brushing to try to get into those deep fissures, because there's none, they're covered up. So therefore, this is the best way to prevent tooth decay. And also applying fluoride to the teeth will help prevent tooth decay. Sealants is something that usually we do once every 3 years. I've seen adults that sealants stay on for a very long time. Again, if a sealant is there, we're not sealing the tooth. Thank God the sealant is still there, but they can be done once every 3 years.